Welcome you to all on Ludhiana Polytechnic College YouTube channel. Today we will discuss the syllabus of Electrical Power 1, subject of 5th semester Electrical Engineering Diploma students. Electrical Power 1 is theory subject, no practical here. So first chapter is power generation, in which we will discuss the main resources of energy and conventional as well as non-conventional energy sources. Then the different types of power stations based on non-conventional as well as conventional energy sources, that is hydro, thermal, gas, diesel and nuclear power stations. We will discuss in this chapter flow diagram and brief details of the operation of different power generating stations, and also we will discuss in this chapter the brief details of solar energy, bioenergy and wind energy, and the non-conventional energy sources present scenario. In second chapter, that is economics of generation, we will discuss the fixed and running costs of the various power stations, generating stations, and also we will discuss the load curve and different types of factors on which the cost of power generation depends. In third chapter, that is transmission systems, we will first discuss the layout of transmission system, selection of voltage for high tension and low tension lines, and advantages of high voltage transmission for both AC and DC. And then in this chapter, we will discuss the comparison between AC versus DC for power transmission and conductor material and the different types of standard tables. Then in this chapter, we will also discuss the types of spores, types of insulators, types of conductors, and selection of insulators depending upon the voltage level of transmission lines. Also, in the third chapter, transmission systems, we will discuss the various terms, that is transpositioning of conductors, string efficiency of suspension type of insulator, and bundling of conductors. Then in this chapter, the mechanical strength or mechanical features of transmission line depends upon the various factors like sag or corona effect, also discussed in this chapter. In fourth chapter, that is distribution system, the layout of HT and LT distribution system, we will discuss the constructional features of distribution lines and their erection, and we will discuss the low tension feeder and service means and different types of problems for radial distribution systems, and we will discuss in this chapter the constructional features of LT as well as HT underground cables, advantages and disadvantages of underground system over overhead system, calculation the different types of losses in distribution system, and also we will discuss the faults in underground cables and how we can determine the location of underground faults by Murray loop test and Worley loop test. In the fifth chapter, we will discuss about the various substations, that is the brief idea about substation, outdoor grid substation, that is 220 to 30 kV and 66 to 33 kV outdoor substations, and pole mounted substation and indoor substations. Then in sixth chapter we will discuss the power factor, concept of power factor, reason and disadvantages of low power factor, and how we can improve the power factor by using various techniques, that is capacitor banks, VAR, static compensators, etc. And the book for this subject, that is electrical power 1, is S.K. Sahdev by Unique Publication. This is very easy book for the electrical power 1, and there is topic wise or subject chapter wise distribution of marks. From the first chapter power generation 15%, second chapter economics of generation 10%, and the fourth and third 35 and 20%, and from fifth and sixth 10 and 10 each marks are allotted for this subject. So that's all for today. Thanks.